Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association threatens to approach Meghalaya High Court if state government does not clear their salary by the 30th of this month. All Meghalaya Dancers Association threatens to observe hunger strike. Nyothrep Achik National Movement East Khasihis District closes government offices in Shillong on occasion of Sengkut Snem. An indigenous Nyothrep community observed the 122nd annual gathering Sengkut Snem with moderate pomp and gaiety. And now the news in detail. The All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association today threatened to approach the Meghalaya High Court if the state government does not pay their salary by the 30th of this month. Speaking to the media at Shillong Press Club, the president of the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, Aristotle C. Rimbai, criticized the state government for not disbursing the SSA teachers' salary even after receiving 59 crore rupees from the government of India. One of the leaders of All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, Marcus Lapasam, informed that according to the right to education, all the SSA teachers are to observe as regular teachers, but the state government is shirking this responsibility. He also said that despite the sincere dedication put in by the teachers towards providing quality education in the state government is trying to brush them aside.
RTE Act 2009. Te Henry kabalingo apat. Hapo ka RTE Act halor bala dep lut ban pruit dak yakitiki norms. Ba UCM jongi unai yakini kentin ka balong baik. Ka kentin ka baai shop yakino hikai jongi borok ka wai ka jelah. Namar babalay ngina kalian kino hikai iwe haman liki school haman laki managing committee ngidon yaki RTE Act ya ka bala ai da ka office jong district subdivisional education department mo SDSEO naka office jong SDSEO te halor kane ba habang ipet ha ya ka jingkren jong isa ka to singi kalalong tik kumba hadian jong kane ka ayom hau ahajar apunriu kumbangila ya chekmat na kirali lane kumbangila yakren chekmat imat ba hangneru ka government imat kala mut banbu sideline ni suki tikar bu jingma hakabay day batni kino hikay SSA borok away hapo ka jalla te ka RTE Act ka krenshay bayangi lade bantung on regular basis kat kum ki norms ki bala puik dak plan nang to te ka ka bas ngo pla bat bas ngo per pade banyo ngo ye kini ki kentin nai CM badon burom jengi jong ka sokar Meghalaya ha ka jing sisyangi kum kinong hikai hangni dak ka burom ya kini kinong kini kiru shampang jong kanika jela Meghalaya jongi kum kinong mikmat ba ngijit yaki haman liki constituency ba maki kin tem yaki jing jongi kinong hikai henry hakum kanika kep ka bangyo i pade ngyo i ba nakapor hakabede bat kinong hikai school SA kador kanang hiar bat mentala bu hatmi dengan susngudai ban kerpat ya ka sorkar Meghalaya MDA government ya baro andri pongot ki MLA snubha stick ya ka RTE Act bat pule ka kren ayu ka RTE Act habalawan ra ya ka ha kani ke jela Meghalaya juni how arajar sang ladang makla masa.
The All Meghalaya Dancers Association today threatened to observe a hunger strike if the state government through the arts and culture fails to clarify as to why the proposal for taking part at the national and international level was rejected. Speaking to the media, the president of All Meghalaya Dancers Association, Kitbor Thaba, said his association has given 15 days time to the government to clarify, and if the response is not satisfactory, the members of the association will observe the hunger strike.
Day limbakan ni ka platform la ni ka association ka jungi ngiju yale pungdo ban penkiu ki kena samla omtang po state and they hake national level. But ka ai ka banukong ka bangya sedang ban penya ya kan ka ai ka bangi sedang jungi ka association jungi ban pentulun kalong first time ka day how arhajar pra ka penung ba magahi ngami ban present hapo ka national level limbaga dance India dance hadu ka TV show raw dia limbaga ni ka national level ngam sibla asu ban poisa ka thong dia ngangit scam ba nak tentu ya kit khot pat bangin ya kan tiu lang pat ya gibai ki pateng lang pateng dia habangi ka bagi jing tiu jong ka amda ya kidu dan sap kerajaan mentala jan kot spa la poi di pau kerajaan poi spa dia hakijia linti jong ka association jong ka all Meghalaya dan association mentalkan sakenjo atat art house nem kaban sakenjo no art house nem dia kajia linti jingi kamde kajia ka kamde ka basuk hibon ki ding pingkiang hibon ki jing kiba ni hap ni kendo menirap dan mataki samla dan sab dan ki kena ki baduk ki batang ka yiu kam biang bha ngilek ban research ngilek ban wat ka yeng jong ki kalong kumdo ngilap ka yeng jong ki teng ka yeng ka bombiang ni teng bon practice dia dak mobile ka like undan tingi keduk kita mengi pat ki kena ki sia kena ke badan sam tena kalian jong ni na ka pos wat ada ki wan kalian baduk kena wat ada sarkar ka merap kambu ka financial assistant kerpang nam tak samla and they nyeli kat bala ka bor ka jongi pat ni kloi ru limba ka jing tho ka jongi ju pha ru sikibeki sakidu ki break badan mensim manirap nam tak dan sap de limba ju ki don ki bayarap don ki bamirap dan tukat ni ki nong mi khmat ki ba kiong ba kani kam dai than le ka badan kam ka dan kam sa ka jing puli penya shoi ka jing puli tem le ha ka ai ka bangai kendo pat hang ni i ba bun sien ki break ba ki baduk ki mi alat ban school bun kelas sebelah no tem le kani ka platform jeng ki wala da kim nang kim start du le ka dai dumba kani ka platform kemod ba ki kena kelak ban pau yel ti example kalong kum dharmesh umde bro ba graduate ba pendek ke jenang puli le dumba ka sap ka thong ka ba udon kemod dumba kani ka platform dumba kani ka talent ka penlong yaki yang ni kuna baduk pun kelalong beri ubat pokmat ban nak buram ya kejela tingi ya ina ka pos ka por ban pengketio nam tak ni kena samla te hadian.
The Hinyotrep Achik National Movement East Khasi Hills District today went to close down some of the government offices in Shillong, including the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, functioning on the occasion of Sengkutsnem organized by Sengkhasi Sengkme. The closing of these offices were undertaken under the leadership of its president Els Aim and secretary Bawan Nongsi. The officers of these offices did not resist the members of the organization and walk away from their offices. Dear viewers, let us now take a short break. Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. The Socio-Religious Organization for Protection and Preservation of Indigenous Faith and Culture of the Hinyotrep community, Sengkhasi Sengkme, today observed its annual gathering called Sengkutsnem at Waking Ground in Shillong. Unlike in the previous years, the annual indigenous gathering was observed with moderate pomp and gaiety due to COVID-19 pandemic. The 23rd of November is observed every year to commemorate the formation of Singh Khasi by 16 nationalist Khasi youths to protect their indigenous religion, rich culture and unique language. Today's observance of Singh Kutsnem marks its 122nd anniversary. The gathering began with paying obeisance to God, the Creator, for all the benediction that He has showered on the community with good health and general prosperity. Invocation was also made to God, the Omnipotent, to continue showering His blessings on the community.
Nakaliang kakenhun utam banusan Om spa om hajar ban the ibai ban ngimla ban nyu karteng do ke haba phi pisnong I yani ni buram ni phi oban pen e bok ni phi kilong he kilong han kilong san kiman san kilong mei kilong pa kilong ni kilong kong kilong samla kilong samhoi kilong khanla kin sim yaw liu khau e ban long udawai nak banta jong phi ba un rat lut ya ki jipang jing spell jong phi baro.
Not good. I'm a new to Khasi language, so apology with apology, and you have to bear with me. So when the Khasi, Khasi and Khasi tribe speaks of the earth in a universal concept, we are the part of the Mother Earth. There cannot be contestation of this philosophy at this juncture, when all the heads of the nations are deliberating to save the climate and the earth. This 122 years old Khasi organization, which is older than more than 20 European nations, is giving message to the world community that although our population is not more than 4 lakhs, it's between 3 to 4 lakhs, but our philosophical foundation is stronger than millions and billions of the people of the earth. We understand the meaning of nature. We understand the meaning of culture. So St. Khasi is to save the nature and save the culture. That is the motto of the St. Khasi. That is the first philosophy which is coming from your own philosophy. And that philosophy is also the cardinal principle of idea of India when we define the Mother India in that term.
The annual Thanksgiving Kopati Puja of Raliang in West Jaintia Hills District commence in Raliang on the 22nd of this month and will conclude tomorrow midnight. The rites and rituals of this puja are being participated by the 5 priests of Ilaka Ralyang. The Daloy of Ralyang Ilaka, Lingdo, said the Kopati puja was handed from one generation to the next by their forefathers. The rites and rituals known as Thanblai were performed at the house of the priests, and the decapitation of goats known as Knya Pomblang was held in the sacred forest, Klaublai, followed by the traditional dance. Rites and rituals were marked by the releasing of doves.
Manu win kon yang nim trei ngau ong ipi ngales nang sorongo em ngini kenya kerpan lang ipi woro le ngayo kham tam hani chnong rolia ngam to on no ngayo tlot ba hang chis nam ngang ngai ajan gijing kelar niam go khlan tam to hangani ke chnong kat kam gijing yo yang ngai tengah mong ipi le kete chong ipi wo perkhat Chong piwo perkat kamu yo pikan ni hikon kenro kelut yang i dasdang yo keringet yang buru dasdang yo tip umayai yang i tegini goro chong pi hangada ni tengam kwa kulam recibun ngetin wan nei gesni kawa kini ke kopeti puja ko de le nem ler kom gini ju he nado usdang usnam hadom ne gasni jan galas yong usnam de le nem uman usnam e jikertu i wit pi uman usnam u roi horo gile tengam kwa ru chimi por dite don hi hauyo tu ki khina go cha yure de cha yure de penyo yo ngate culture de ki ngayo man waro ibu chad yang ki bu yo sok yo tenak hadok kate ngane geli yang ngase cisen ai kublei ki waro ki bu de chad le ki without chad le tadi te ni kublei chibon ki waro kublei kopti puja sok temen ki waro chijang mo kublei chibon
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.